Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Sridhar Acharya. As a project manager, today I am going to show you how to add tasks, subtask, create org breakdown structure and assign the tasks to other team members using Microsoft Project. So let's start. First of all, I am going to open the project template given, and then I'm also going to open the instruction provided. Let's save this file, save it, and the file naming convention is exercise2 underscore last name underscore first name. Save. Moving on to next point, we have to create a resource. So click on resource sheet, and in order to save time, I am just gonna copy these resources over here and paste it over here, and I am going to add myself as the resource, and the initials will be SA. So resource sheet is created. Now I am going to select, moving on to next point, I have to select task 2 and insert task is odd, and select task 3 and set is subtask. Now similarly, I am going to add new task is Excel and add task 5 is the subtask of Excel. So it's also done. Okay, now same is above. I am going to add insert task PowerPoint and outdent it and select task 7 and save is the subtask. Now moving on to next point, we have to wrap the task name column. So I think it's already wrapped. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. Click on wrap text and it's wrapped. Now moving on to next point, we have to change the duration of task number 3, 5 and 7 to 18 hours. So I'm going to add 18 hours. Okay, so the duration is updated. I have decided to break down the book, read oak textbook. So I'm going to add new task over here. So click on insert task and the task name will be, I'm just going to copy this task name over here, and the task name is pasted, and the duration for this task is 1 hour. Okay, so I'm going to add another task as well. Insert task, check all oak. Task name will be check all oak, and paste it over here, and the duration of this task will be 1 hour. Okay, now we have to save this task as the subtask of read book. That is done. Now I'm going to copy this task to as same task will be the subtask of read Excel and PowerPoint. So paste it over here and it is subtask. Let's select both tasks and set as subtask. It's done. For PowerPoint also same. So I'm going to paste over here and select both tasks and set as subtask. Now setting subtask is done. Next task is assigning these tasks to different team members. So I'm going to assign these tasks to different team members. Task number 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 11, 12, 13 should be assigned to. So these tasks are assigned to assign resource to Kyle Smith. So assign. So these tasks are successfully assigned. Now I am going to assign task number 21 and 22 to 21 and 22 to David Grant, assign resource to David Grant, assign. So it's also successfully assigned. Similarly, I'm going to assign task number 14, 15, and 16 to William Cook, assigned resource, and William Cook, assign. So it's also successfully assigned. And task number 18 and 19 for John Walker, task number 18 and 19 for assigned for John Walker. So assign, successfully assigned. Now remaining tasks and task number 3, 7, and 11 for myself. I have to assign it myself. So 1 and 2 are remaining. 1 and 2 are remaining tasks. Task number 3, 6 is remaining, and 7, and then 10 is remaining, 11, and all other remaining tasks such as 17, 20, and 23. So I'm gonna assign these tasks to myself. Okay, so these tasks are successfully assigned. Now moving on to next point, we have to right click on task name and add new column, insert column, that will be WB WBS. Okay, so it is assigned. We have to adjust this column so it looks good. Now moving on to next point, we have to define the WBS code. For that, we have to click on project and then click WBS define code. And first of all, we add the numbers, and then we have to add uppercase, and then third one will be lowercase. So we have successfully defined the WPS code, you can see here. And then moving on to the next point, we have to copy this table. Okay, so we have to copy this table and paste it over Excel file. So I'm gonna paste it. I have to adjust this table column to make it look nice. So I'm gonna save it, save it. So the name format will be exercise 2 underscore Excel underscore last name underscore and first name. Save. Similarly, I am going to paste this table to Word document also and save it. Save as. The naming convention will be same, so it will be exercise 2 underscore last name. Now it's odd underscore last name and first name docs. Save it. So today I showed you how to assign tasks, create a breakdown structure. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.